If you are looking to optimize your CTA buttons and boost conversions, then you will want to pay attention to the real-world examples we will be discussing today. And if this video gave you value, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button and notification on so that you won't ever miss our new videos. First, let's define what CTA button is. A CTA button or call to action button is a button on a web page or email that encourages the viewer to take a specific action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Now, let's dive into some case studies on CTA button effectiveness. The first case study is e-commerce website. The problem is, the CTA button on an e-commerce website was not getting many clicks, leading to low conversion rates. And for this problem, the solution is the CTA button was redesigned to be larger and more prominent on the page, and the color was changed to red, which is known to be attention-grabbing color. As a result, the conversion rate increased by 20%. The second case study is lead generation form. The problem is, a lead generation form was not getting many submissions despite having a clear CTA button. For this problem, the solution is the form was redesigned to be shorter and more visually appealing, and the CTA button was moved to the top of the form to be more prominent. Additionally, social proof was added in the form of customer testimonial. As a result, the submission rate increased by 30%. From these case studies, we can see the importance of CTA button design and placement in driving conversions. By testing different variations and making small changes, you can significantly improve the effectiveness of your CTA button. Speaking about good CTA button, I have a recommendation for you that you have to consider. There's a plugin called Floating Zoom Button. With this plugin, you can do almost everything. Not just CTA button, it also offers you other benefits like any scroll up and display custom pop-up. It offers an unlimited number of stick action buttons with a bunch of actions and styling options, so you can customize it as the way you want it to be, whether it's the color, size, position, filter, or animation. I will put the link on the description, so make sure to check it out. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye!